The cold spell is lingering in the nation, but it looks like things will finally warm up soon. For that and more on the weather, let's go over to our Kwon Soa at the Weather Center. Soa, hello.
Hi, Tia, and good evening, everyone. We'll just have to be a bit more patient for the return of seasonal temperatures. The cold alerts are still in effect around the north-central regions, North Jeolla Province, and also parts of Gyeongsang Province. Now, the high-pressure front is also making our skies look very clear, but in the west coast regions of Jeolla Province and Jeju Island, there are chances of snow moving in overnight. Now, other than that, most of the nation can expect sunny skies tomorrow and a slight rise in temperatures with daytime highs making it to the positives. The capital Seoul starts off at -8 degrees and hits +1 degree. Daegu, Gwangju range between -6 and 4, and Busan will be slightly warmer. And moving over to other places, Daejeon's temperature gap will be very broad again. Jeju and Dokdo remain in the positives, and Kumgang will stay freezing cold with a low of -19. And now let's take a look at the international weather. An increase in daytime temperatures and also an increase in clouds for Beijing. Tokyo's high drops to the single digits, but sunshine prevails. Now, not so much in Islamabad, though, where it's going to be an overcast day with rain forecast in the latter half of the day. Typical scattered thunderstorms for much of Southeast Asia, but also down under in Perth, along with a big drop in the mercury. Melbourne should be a warm spot on Wednesday, and Wellington jumps a couple of degrees. Now, there's a good chance that those in Vancouver can enjoy a dry day with just a few clouds. Slight rise in temperatures in Chicago, slight decrease in New York and Washington, D.C. Hope you made good use of the fine weather in Los Angeles because it's going to get wet and a lot cooler. It's not going to be as hot as Tuesday in Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo due to the arrival of scattered thunderstorms, which will make it similar temperature-wise to Santiago and Buenos Aires. Those two, however, are going to be crystal clear. Now, the deadly snow in Eastern Europe is expected to continue, including in much of the Ukraine and Belarus. No snow for Moscow, but cold temperatures staying steady for much of the day. Snow showers until around midday continue in Berlin and other cities of Germany. Lastly, in Africa, temperature gaps are widening more and more these days. Expect around a 10-degree difference in lows and highs in Tripoli, Algiers, Cairo, Addis Ababa, as well as Cape Town. Now, for more weather updates, I'll be back after 10, so see you then.
Thank you, Soa. And that's the news we're following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates in our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.
At the eastern end of Korea.